Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to enable print screen key to open snipping tool in Windows 11. Click Start, Settings. Click Accessibility. Click Keyboard. Turn on use the print screen button to open screen snipping. Press print screen key. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.